Hey everyone, Chad here with cheerleadingmix.com. We are the newest pre-made site in the industry, and we offer mixes produced by some of the top producers in the world. Today, I'm going to walk you through our site and show you how simple it is to order some mixes. This process will only take 7 steps from login to checkout. So let's get to it. First, you're going to log in with your cheerleadingmix.com account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry about it. You don't need one to browse the catalog, but you will need one to purchase your mix. It's an easy setup, so go ahead and create one so you can get started with your order. So I'm going to go ahead and log in to my account. All right, here we go. We're on the search page. Next up, we're going to search for our perfect mix. We have hundreds of pre-made mixes already on our site, with more added regularly. If you're looking for a certain theme or keyword, you can search for those right here, and it will pull up all the mixes we have that fit your specific needs. So I'm going to type in all girl and fierce. And this pulls up our library. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to find the right one that I think is going to fit for my team. Coming for it all. And now I'm going to need a 2-minute and 30-second mix. I'm going to click that and purchase mix. Once you have your mix and length selected, you can add custom voiceovers to it if you would like. We allow any voiceover up to 2 8 counts per selection. We usually get team names, mascots, special phrases, and more. It's very important here to tell us exactly where you want the voiceover placed in your routine. That is where the timestamp tool comes in handy, and we will see that here in a bit. So what we're going to do is I'm going to type in Legacy All Stars. Click Add Voiceover. Here's the timestamp tool. Now I have already pre-listened to the mix, so I know that I want that voiceover placed at exactly 5 seconds into the mix. Press continue. Now, step 4 is add the mix to your cart. We're going to view the cart, continue to our license page, and we're going to agree to the terms and conditions, and we'll check out. Once you go to checkout, you can use our secure server to check out and finalize your order. And that's it. Your mix will be delivered just the way you requested it within 10 business days. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at info@cheerleadingmix.com, and we will be more than happy to answer you there.